patHUBlatam is an automated online service for worldwide applicants looking to file in Latin America. In this short video, we'll walk you through the process of managing your Paris Convention filing project once you've finished your checkout process. First, log in with your username and password and check the CAPTCHA option. On the main page, hover your mouse over the left side panel and select Home. The first thing you'll visualize is your home dashboard, where you'll see an overview banner of all your projects categorized into Urgent Action, All Pending Action, All Projects, Projects Filed, and Pending Quotes. All your projects will be listed in a table below, but if you have several active or closed, you have the chance to filter your list and focus on those of your interest. To do so, click on the Filters button right below the Overview banner and select the variables you'd like to use to filter your list, either patHUB project number, type of filing, client reference, or application number. The projects will be displayed in a 6-column table. In the first column, you'll see your patHUB project number, followed by your client reference. Then the invention's title and the type of project or primary service, either PCT or Paris Convention filing. In the last column, you'll see the action status, where an icon indicates whether there's a pending action, a first reminder, a second reminder, or a warning. At the left of every project, you will see a plus button that deploys all the services you purchased for this particular project. In this case, our project consists of a Paris Convention filing for Argentina, Brazil, and Venezuela. So let's start our project by clicking on the patHUB project number you need to work on. You will find it under the first column. On your project page, right on top, you will see your project's general information and some detailed information like the language or languages you selected to translate, the source language of your priority document, your oldest priority date, and subsequently, the closest deadline to file your application. Finally, you'll see the countries you selected to file in. Scroll down a little bit and you will see the first step or project task, filing information. And right next to it is the action's deadline. Below that, you will see a gray box with 3 buckets. The first one has an upload icon indicating documents to be uploaded. The second bucket indicates the kind of action required, in this case, either complete the project or edit information and upload filing documents. The third bucket shows an icon with a clock-like circle indicating your progress percentage on this particular task. Now click on the second bucket to complete or confirm your project information and upload your filing documents. On the next page, you'll have to fill out the application title and if it requires a sequence listing and/or a certificate of biological material. If it does, you'll be prompted to upload them afterward. Once you select, keep scrolling down to complete the applicant's information. To do so, click on the yellow icon below the Options column. A pop-up window will ask you the following. Applicant type, either individual or company. If the applicant is an individual, patHUBlatam will require the following information: name, last name, nationality, country, street address, city, and email. If it's a company, you will need to complete company name, country, street address, city, and email. Please ensure you have all this information when submitting your project. Click on Update when you're done completing the information. To complete the inventor's information, click on the red button, Add Inventor. Again, a pop-up window will allow you to complete name of the inventor, last name, street address, city, nationality, country, and profession. Please ensure you have all this information when submitting your project. Click on Submit when you're done completing the information. Priority information will be automatically filled out according to your input when you first quote your project and the application information you provided. You can select the appropriate applicant in case there is more than one. To do that, click on the yellow button under the column Options and select the applicant from the drop-down list. Now you are ready for Step 2, Documentation Upload. In Section A, you will need to upload the necessary documents for filing, as per your indications in Step 1. So, every pending document should be uploaded here in a separate bucket. Within each bucket, you'll notice a gray icon, meaning your document upload is pending, and at the bottom, you will see the deadline to complete the action. To upload each document, simply click on the Upload File button and select it from your device. The first document we will require from you is the final specification document. Just click on Upload File. We kindly ask you to upload an editable document, like MS Word, as this will serve as the basis for your project translation. If you selected sequence listing and certificate of biological material, second and third buckets will be available for document upload, but if you selected any of those by mistake, simply go back to step 1 and choose No. Furthermore, in section B, we will ask you to upload all application drawings, if they exist. This is especially important given certain countries do not allow submitting them post-filing or, in the best case, pose issues when not submitted with filing. This is the reason why we insist they be submitted with filing. Once you upload each document, you'll notice the gray icon will turn into an orange sand clock icon, meaning your document is awaiting patHUBlatam review. You can also change your document if you uploaded a different one by mistake by simply clicking again on the Upload File button, or you can delete it by clicking on the Trash Bin button. Now let's move on to step 3, Power of Attorney. In section A, you will be able to download a blank form for you to fill out. No legalization is required from your side. Once completed and signed, please upload the document in section B. Again, the bucket will show you an icon indicating the status of your action, as well as the deadline to complete it. Please review your uploaded documentation, and if you're still missing some documents, don't worry, click on Save and Continue. You can return to your project and upload your pending documents once you have them. To do so, just go to your project dashboard, click on the Filing Information gray chart, and simply upload your missing document. If you're then ready, simply click on Done. On your project dashboard, you will see the gray box with 3 buckets indicating the progress percentage of your project. Right below it, you will see the status of each of your filing documents for each selected country. A purple sand clock icon will let you know your project is under patHUBlatam review. Continuing with your project, scroll down a little and you will find another gray box with 3 buckets called Priorities and Assignments Documentation. Click on it. To initiate translation, we will need you to upload the non-certified priority application in the first bucket of section A. Click on Done when your document is ready. Furthermore, section B will allow you to upload your certified copies of your assignment and priorities once you have already obtained these documents from the local patent office. Please upload each document in its corresponding bucket and click on the Done button. In section C, we will ask you to ship your documents to each selected country for filing. To do so, please download the document with the shipping instructions where you will find the contact information of our agents. Include this pre-populated printout inside shipping and use said shipping information to fill out the courier form. When you have the shipping bill from the courier, please complete the following fields for each country: courier name, shipping date, tracking number. Please click on Save and complete the procedure for every country. Keep scrolling down and click on Done at the bottom of the page. Your job is now ready for the time being, and once we make sure your filing documents are in order, you will be notified via email when further action from your side is required to upload the priorities and assignments documents.